that was your bundle of licks for this week's quick licks lesson. It's all based around Rollin Man by Fleetwood Mac, Peter Green. So, you know, we're looking at Peter Green basically, aren't we? So there's 6 licks within this quick licks lesson. Try and say that back because that was pretty difficult, to be honest with you. All of them based around shape 3 of your minor pentatonic in A. Now, we are playing a sequence of A7, D7 and E7. We're not playing that, but we're playing over that sequence. So we're bringing out the Mixolydian tones with this minor pentatonic. So we're sort of flavouring things up, adding tension by playing a minor over a major key. That doesn't make any sense. Theoretically, it shouldn't work, but it does because blues adds that Mixolydian sort of tension note, so the minor and the major mix. So basically, that's what we're doing. All right. So we're looking at shape 3 of your pentatonics, which is this. And everything that we're playing, all 6 licks on this, are all based around that one shape, using strings 1, 2 and 3 mainly, and then the last lick bringing in string 4 as well. Right, if you do like this lesson, please do consider liking, sharing, subscribing if you haven't done so already, and obviously visiting all the websites and socials and Patreon to help support the channel as well, where you won't find anything on Patreon that is going to be on YouTube. So everything is exclusive to YouTube platform, and you'll find a tab for this lesson free on my website, dansguitar.com. And that's about all I need to say about it. Please drop a comment below for things that you might like to see on this channel as well. Here comes the breakdown. We start on the 11th fret of your 3rd string, going to the 10 on your 2nd string, full tone on your 13th fret 2nd string, and then a semitone bend on the same string, same fret, same string as well. So you're not going to hear the bends coming back down as you run through this. So you want to make sure it's got that sort of bouncy feel to it. So it's the bend on 13, full tone, semitone, and then down to the 10th fret once more to finish the lick. With vibrato, nice sort of fluid bluesy vibrato. Lick 2. So you start on the 11th fret again. 2 strikes on that 10th fret 2nd string, second one with the vibrato. That was a clank, wasn't it? Back to the 11. On the 3rd string, and then it's 10, 12, 10 on your 2nd string. Really easy lick. I'll play that again. But it's the flavour of it which you want to try and incorporate into your playing. So that vibrato on the 2nd stroke of the 10 is the all-important note which you want to make sure is getting that flavour via the vibrato. So lick number 3 now we have, which is full tone bend on your 12th fret 1st string, going down to the 12 as it is, no bend, and then 10 on that 1st string as well, 13 on your 2nd string, and then 11 on your 3rd string, 10 on your 2nd string with the vibrato to finish with. Nice use of those notes, it just flavours up using this pentatonic 3. It's a great shape to get used to, and these licks are all based around this, so you should have a bit of fun with that. That'd be nice. Right, lick number 4. Basically the same as lick number 1. There you go. So I'll do that again. So it's going to be 11 on your 3rd string, 10 on your 2nd, 13 on your 2nd, full tone bend 1st, semitone bend 2nd, and then the 10 with vibrato to finish with. I'll just gloss over that because we've already done that lick. So that was lick number 4. Then we've got lick 5, and this one goes... basically that, okay? So we have the 12 full tone bend up, and then down to the static position, not hearing the bend come back down. And then it's going to be 12 on your 2nd string, bend up, let down, 10 on the 2nd, 12. So with that vibrato on the 10th fret, if you can put that on. And then the 12th fret is just a staccato kind of short burst of note, or you could hammer it on actually. just to give it a bit of flavour. It's probably hammered on. I think I did that in the demo. Anyway, there we go. Right, let's move on to the final lick, lick 6. This one comes away from just using 3 strings and goes on to 4 strings. Nice lick, this one. Right, so we've got 12 on your fourth. 12 on your 4th string. And that goes through to the 11 on your 3rd string. It's 10 on your 2nd string. So you've got a nice kind of major triad of D coming through on that. And then it's a bend from the 13th fret on your 2nd string. And just kind of elongate that bend and try and bend it slowly, and then all of a sudden push it at the end. And then you're leaving yourself with the 10 on the 1st string, 12 on the 1st string, and then 10 on the 2nd string with vibrato to finish the lick. Okay, there you go. Something like that. Anyway, there we go. I'll leave you with all that and I'll hand you back to me to sign it all off. Nice one. See you in a bit. I'm hoping this camera works out all right. I've got a new camera, so 4K little Action 6 it is, DJI. Hoping it's sort of coming across okay and gives me the frame rates that I need for making the content sort of pop enough for you guys to see clearly, put it that way. My old camera was old. Anyway. There we go. So if you do like this channel, please, and this video even, please subscribe to the channel and visit all the socials as well. Visit Patreon and the website for your free PDF. And I shall leave you with that this week. Peter Green, Fleetwood Mac, Rollin Man. Have fun with it. Some great flavoursome licks to get on with. I shall see you next time.